Over 72.45% voter turnout was recorded in Friday's election in Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, while around 82.73% of the electorate exercised their franchise in the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Mob damages EVMs in 4 polling booths of 2 polling stations in East Jaintia Hills. Repolling has been ordered in all 4 polling stations. The overall turnout in Riboy district was 56.91%. The state government has sought the support of other northeastern states in pressing upon the central government to revisit the pump storage policy. In the ICC Men's Champions Trophy, Australia will take on England in the Group B clash at Gaddafi Stadium in Lahore, Pakistan this afternoon.